Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your bank account to the Depop app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your bank account to the Depop app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Depop app. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on where it says My Depop. So now once you're on this page here, what you want to do next is towards the bottom underneath where it says Settings, you're going to see an option that says Payment Settings. So click on Payment Settings, and then you're going to be presented with four options here. The first one is Bank Account, and then the second one is Top Up Card. Click on Bank Account, and then this is where you can enter your bank account's routing number and account number. Afterwards, click on confirm, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your bank account to the Depop app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.